I'm here to wish you a happy summer and also to read one of my favorite books with you. Okay, make sure you check that you have your listening ears and your looking eyes. And let's get ready to read our story. I chose this story, Mighty Mighty Construction Site. Down in the big construction site, five trucks wake to morning light. It's time to stretch, roll out of bed, and gear up for the day ahead. They wipe their faces, greet the sun, load up fuel, rev up, run. They're eager to get things underway. There's a brand new job to start today. If you look, you have five trucks. And let's see if we can name the different kinds of trucks that we see in this picture. We have a dump truck, we have a digger, we have a bulldozer, we have a cement mixer, and we have a crane. Do you have a favorite truck that you see in this picture? Can you point to it? It's a good choice. The plans unrolled, they stare in awe. The biggest thing they ever saw. A massive building so immense, this giant job will be intense. It's a lot for them to do, too much for just a five truck crew. Cement Mixer is thinking fast. He gives his horn a blaring blast. Honk! And it goes honk, honk, honk. Mighty trucks all hear the call. They start up in no time at all. Out on the road, they drive full steam. They rush right in to join the team. It's always nice when you have friends to help. Rolling, rumbling, revving hard, 10 big trucks meet in the yard. A mighty, massive super crew. There is nothing they can't do. Skid steers nimble, small and quick. She turns, she spins, she does a trick. Bulldozer's heavy, wide, and grand. He'll push and plow to clear the land. But even he can use a hand. Skid's breaker bit blasts rocks to rubble, so Dozer rolls through without trouble. Two friends at work, one big, one small. They clear the way, they move it all. Each long trench is marked and planned. Excavator digs the land. Then backhoe grabs a draining pipe and sets it down in one smooth swipe. Turn and dig, lift and drop, then push some dirt right back on top. They set each pipe and then repeat. This duo doesn't miss a beat. Pulling up with all his might, Cane Truck lifts a beam to height, and then he spins his hook around, but just before it touches ground, Crane Truck gasps, "Ah!" Out in surprise. He's used up all of his supplies. But what's this coming down the road? Could it be another load? Who do you think is coming? Let's find out. Mighty flatbed revs and runs, smoothly hauling 50 tons down the road and over hills, his load strapped tight so nothing spills. On site she rolls right to a stop with crane supplies all stacked on top. Flatbed truck Flatbed trucks just save the day. Their work can get back underway. Front end loader and dump truck pair to move great loads from here to there. Digging, lifting, hauling ground, giant piles are moved around. Loader digs and scoops his fill, then tilts it up so there's no spill. His bucket raises to the max, then beep beep as loader backs. Why do you think he has to beep? Yep, it's to make sure that no one is there and everyone is safe. Dirt and gravel hauled away, these pals move mountains every day. Cement Mixer is working hard around the whole construction yard. Load after load, he churns and pours, makes foundations, roads, and floors. But now the concrete needs to climb. Uh-oh. What do you think he'll use to climb the concrete up? Let's find out. And here is Pumper right on time. Pumper's boom unfolds, goes high, reaching up toward the sky. Fill the hopper, flip the switch, and zoom! Concrete is pushed into the boom. Up through the pipe, it does not stop. The concrete comes out way up top. Churn and pour and lift and fill. This team works hard with speed and skill. Rough and rugged all day long, rolling, lifting, digging strong. Each truck has a part to play to help the work get done today. Just like the plan, the job's complete. This awesome team just can't be beat. Cooperation got it done. Teamwork made it fast and fun. The new crew leaves, but on their way, crane truck waves. Great work today. The crew drives off, engines loud, feeling tired but strong and proud. It's getting dark, the sun has set. The trucks are tired, as they can get. They roll to find their cozy beds, to cuddle up and rest their heads, to close their eyes and drift away. New adventure, wait another day. So all of the trucks are sleeping. I think they were just so tired with all of the work that they did. Construction site all tucked in tight. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. The end. I hope you enjoyed listening to this story. It's a fun story to learn about different trucks and what they do. And it also talks about friendship and how important it is to help our friends. So I hope you all have a wonderful summer and enjoy the summertime. Take care. Stay well. Bye for now.